All right, so in this video, we're going to go over the Level Up event and what it is, and the top 3 reasons why you need to be attending the event the coming year. All right, let's do it. All right, so what is Level Up? It is the ultimate SaaS marketing event for entrepreneurs and agencies. And this is my second year that I've been to the event in 2025. And I'm doing this video because so that others can know what exactly the event is and why you should be there next year. All right, so let's just go dig into a little bit. Overview of it's an annual conference hosted by HighLevel. It's been bringing thousands. As of 2025, they had over close to 14, maybe 1,500 people there. Last year, there was about 800, and so I see it only getting bigger, or they're going to cap out and the event's going to be sold out. So strongly recommend you buy your tickets as early as possible. All right. And so it brings together agency owners, SaaS founders, entrepreneurs, small business owners looking to scale faster, bigger, and smarter, more particularly using their platform. But you don't have to. I mean, you can come there to learn because there's a lot of information that you can take away from this event. All right. And it's global, meaning that people from all over the globe are coming to this one place in Dallas to come to this event. So there are 4 days. There is an extra day for VIPs, and then another day for encore. So it's actually really 3 days, but it is altogether, if you're taking all of the sessions in and everything, it's total 5 days, Monday through Friday. Okay. And then basically it focuses on AI, SaaS, automations, and scaling. Okay. Now, the mission of Level Up is simple. So basically, I think if you look at the founders, their whole mission is to help agencies with using the platform and helping them to grow. And so let me move my face over. Sorry about that. And so during the Level Up Day, one of the days and one of the sessions, they go over product announcements and feature reviews. They call it the Level Up Day. And basically this year they've rolled out like 300 new features. And so and then during the multiple days, there is workshops and breakout sessions and keynote speakers. In this particular, in 2025, they broke up the sessions according to SaaS, agency, AI, product, and affiliate track, they call it. And then you have the ability to network with 1,000, industry professionals. Of course, you're not going to meet 1,000. I met close to about 30, plus the people that I've met last year, I reconnected with them as well. And so it is the community is awesome. And so the event is usually held in October, and the page is up as of, if you want to register for next year in 2026. And my goal is probably going to be updating this video every year. So the location is Hilton Anatole in Dallas, and the ticket options are general admissions, which I got this year, and I had VIP last year, and I just wanted to check out the difference. And so I'm going to be giving you my feedback and honest in another video, but this is a video that I'm going to be doing just to show you what Level Up is about. And then there is the VIP. The VIP includes an extra welcome party that they hold for the VIPs, and then there's they give you food throughout the event, drinks, and what else? There is a special besides the VIP dinner, you get VIP sitting at the front of the main hall. Okay. Now the encore day is an extra day they've set up. I don't think they had it last year, and it's limited. So basically, they do some activities. I think they went to a hockey game or something like that, And then there's an extra day of speakers and sessions for the encore if you purchase that ticket. And I believe it's $9.97. All right. And then who should attend? Agency owners, marketers, SaaS builders, tech founders, small business owners, entrepreneurs looking to scale. So anybody that has any small business, I mean, this is a great event that you can learn a lot of what technologies or things that are in the marketing space that you should be on top of. So, all right, why attend? So you can learn from the top SaaS and marketing leaders, definitely, and then you can discover and they're going to reveal new features. They're going to know it afterwards, but this is where you get to know it ahead of everybody else. Okay, and this is also where you can build relationships. And so I think this year I consciously took a mental decision, commitment to meet and connect and really stay in touch with those people that I connected with. And then you leave with a plan for growth and scalability. Okay. All right. So the experience, there's keynote sessions, typical breakout sessions, and there were multiple breakout sessions, and some sessions were actually filled out, meaning that they had to close the door because it was so packed. And then there are exhibitors, and there are a place for you to network as well as after party. There's the awards night celebration for giving out. They had certain levels that if you had certain number of sub accounts, then they give awards to those that have achieved those mile marks, I guess you call it. Okay, it's not just a conference. I'm saying it's really an experience. They put a lot of thought, energy, and planning into these events, and I strongly recommend that you go. Okay, all right. So what makes High Level so different? I believe at the end of the day, it's the founders. They are very humble. SVR. So it's Sean, Farouk, and Robin. These three guys, man, I mean, even though this company is well worth $1 billion, I would say right now, they're out there meeting people, shaking hands, talking with you like they're just like one of the attendees. And so this is what makes this company so great. And I'm so proud to be using this platform and using it for my business. All right. And so this is a wrap up. Basically, if you have not been to the Level Up Summit, I don't know if they call it Level Up Summit, but I'm going to go ahead and call it Level Up Summit. Strongly recommend that you go, and I'll see you there next year in 2026. And thanks for watching. And if this video helped you, please, of course, subscribe and be part of our community. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Okay, bye now.